Ryobi 1 Plus electrostatic sprayer reservoir is not priming.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Ryobi tool or machine? How old is it?
Brand new. Just took it out of the box.
How long has this been going on with your Ryobi? What have you tried so far?
So I used a turkey baster to fill up the hose with water to see if it actually works, and it does. I get nothing when the hose is attached to the reservoir.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
That's it. I shared what I've done.
Hi, my name is Contractor, professional kitchen/bath designer and teacher. I want to help you find a solution today. Hello, sounds like you have a frustrating issue with a new product. All products carry a 1-year warranty, which means you can return the product anytime within the year, even if it's been used. This is something to remember about all new products that you purchase. When we as consumers purchase items at full retail price, we expect products to work as advertised on the box. This is 100% true, they should. However, what do you do when the product does not live up to what it promises? When it does not work quite right, some people think it becomes their problem to solve, and they spend a lot of time, energy, and money trying to make the product perform like it is supposed to. However, you can't make lemonade with a lemon product, so this effort usually ends in disappointment. If you will look in your information somewhere, the manufacturer offers consumers a 1 or 2 year warranty. This means that at any time within the warranty period, you can return the product and get your money back. You can then buy another product that works perfectly or try another brand. A poor performing product is not your responsibility to fix. A defective product should be returned to the store from where it was purchased immediately. A defective product is the manufacturer's problem, not yours. Tell the clerk the product is defective, and you want to exchange it for another one. Take along your receipt and box if you have it. Even if you used it, you still have 1 year to return the product. You needed to use it to know it was defective. If you ordered the product, you should still return it, but use the website guidelines on their site. I hope this helps. Thank you for contacting us here at JustAnswer to help you with your everyday questions. Susan.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.